How to fix Windows Update database error detected error. 1. Running Windows Update troubleshooter. 2. Restarting Windows Update service. 3. Scanning for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Turn off your antivirus software, temporarily. 5. Running System File Checker, SFC, and DISM tool, as admin. Commands are, sfc/scano dism/online/cleanupimage/scan helpdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. 6. Resetting Windows Update settings, the fast way. 7. Manually download window updates. 8. Update your system in Windows Clean Boot. 9. Reset Windows.